Hey everyone, Lex over here, and I am in Lehigh Acres with Marcus.
Hi, Lex.
And I just did another video for you guys with Christiano, who's from Brazil. Marcus is also from Brazil. In fact, this is the house he purchased. That was the one that Christiano wholesaled. So tell everyone a little bit about this house.
Yeah, that was a deal that Christiano brought to me, and I saw great potential. There's a nice curb appealing. It's a nice neighborhood. It's a little far away from where I live. It's like an hour driving, an hour and a half driving. But I found it's a good opportunity for me to jump in and learn how to do this business. And Christiano's giving me a great help. He's kind of drive me, guide me. We get together, once in a while to touch base and see how things are going. So I'm learning a lot with you and him. So I see this is a very good start for me to get into this industry, and looking forward to do more deals like that.
Okay. Now, what did you pay for this house?
So this was $115,000.
Okay, and I see that one over there is listed at $179,900, and you got a pool over here. What are you going to list this one for?
Well, I spoke with Christiano about not long ago, so we are thinking about 180, perhaps 185, that kind of range, depending, the timing on the market.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right.
So the neighborhood here is nice, well taken care of. I think this getting a lot of appreciation around here. So I think it's you got to see it at times to see how it goes. Yeah.
And what do you put in repairs on this?
So the plan is to spend around 25. We always know it might be a little bit higher than that, but it's give or take around 25,000-30,000.
Okay, very nice. And this is your first deal, right?
It's my first deal.
All right, so here's an example of a student of mine bought his first house, a wholesale flip from another student. I got him the hard money loan on this. How much did I lend you on this house?
You gave me 90%.
Okay.
Yeah, in a very good deal.
Okay, so 90% loan, hard money loan. He's doing his first fix and flip. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And guys, if you're looking to get started doing this, just start out like Marcus, come to my boot camp and learn how to fix and flip. And once again, congratulations.
Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video.